In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 5-second trading strategy by using this indicator that is called parabolic SAR. Now, whenever you use this indicator, you will see dots forming above and below the candles. So whenever the dots are forming below the candles and second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. And whenever the dots are forming above the candles and second dot is about to form, at that time you need to click on lower. So you need to put all of these currency pair at the above in this way so that you can easily switch between these currency pair to find the entry point. So just now here we have found a entry point at here, second dot have formed here, so we have made trade in the lower direction, but this trade has gone wrong and this happens in the trading. Here you can see we have got one signal, so we have made a trade in the upward direction. And let's see, okay, so we made loss in this also. No worries, we have already made two losses. So you need to keep on switching between the currency pair to find the entry point and keep on trading consistently. Here you can see one second dot have formed, but we missed this trade. So let's try to keep on finding the entry point so that we can make the trade. So second dot have formed and you can see market is going below. So in some currency pair, it might not work. So it is better, always better to trade in your demo account firstly. So here you can see second dot have formed, but we have missed that trade. And let's keep on switching. So the here you can see one dot have formed, so we have made a trade in the lower direction, but we made a little bit early this trade. Okay, however we have made profit in this trade, but that was a fluke profit. So I'll again show you from the starting. So our trade count is 2 trades lost, one was profitable. So this is a kind of headache free strategy. Here you can see second dot have formed and this candle was falling below. So let's keep on switching this currency pair to find out. And in the meantime, here you can see second dot have formed and this trade could have gone in loss. So, but we avoided this. So let's keep on switching the currency pair. And in case if you want to copy our trade automatically into your pocket option account, then do join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. So one dot have formed, so it's time for the second dot and we have made a trade. Here you can see second dot have formed at here and we have made profit at here. So let's keep on switching so that we can find out the entry point. So now again we'll switch from here. So you can keep on switching this currency pair. That here you can see second dot have formed and market was going above. So let's keep on switching. I'm not going to edit this video. I'll show you this video as it is so that you can judge whether this strategy is for you or not. Okay, so yes, we made the profit. Here you can see one dot have formed and in 1 second, oh, the trade have gone a little bit below here, right? So we made the loss. Our trade was executed in a little bit late. So let's keep on finding. So here I am not seeing any entry points. So let's again go back. So if you have any suggestions regarding to this trading strategy, you can give us. Okay, we are more than happy to show you our this kind of trading strategy that is actually helpful for people. And I also call it this a headache free strategy. You can keep on finding this currency pair and make trade. You don't need to make such high amount of trade, but what you can do is you can keep on making trade with small amount and try to see if you can become profitable with it, because no any trading strategy or indicator works for the 100% of the time. So you can see second dot have formed and yes, we could have made profit in this trade. The candle is green. So let's again go back and try to find out the appropriate place where we can make the trade. It can sometimes it can be a little bit hard to find the entry point. And don't forget to like this video. I'm going to show you by making profit without editing this video. Okay, I'm going to post it as it is so that you can see from start to end how I was able to make this trade. And also, this is the exact strategy that I have used once to turn my $100 into a $2,500 with 13 executive trades right in a row. So we missed this trade. Let's see what happens in this. Yes, trade was profitable. And let's keep on switching. This trade could have gone in loss. Also, if you can comment below what is your favorite strategy that you use regularly to make the trades in order to make the profit. So here also our trade could have gone in loss. So right now we are not getting the entry point, but I'm sure if we keep on looking like this, then we'll of course get some entry point. Here you can see this trade could have gone in profit, but we have already missed that trade. Here we have got an entry point, and you can see that our trade was made a little bit in downward, but still this trade could have gone in wrong. So let's try to find out another entry point. Here also our trade could have gone in loss, but we avoided that trade by being late. Here you can see our entry point, but it was a little bit late, I think, but still we were able to make the profit. Let's keep on switching the currency pair to find out the entry points. Here also you can see our entry point is about to be formed at here, and we made this trade. Second dot have formed and our trade is in profit. So in this way you can make the trade consistently to make profit.